Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how you can go and record your screen in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Chrome and go. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export and Help options. And the export option is gray at the moment because we don't have any video in it. Also, we have the Media, Audio, Titles, Transition, Effects, Elements, and Split Screen options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and record your screen in Filmora. It is pretty simple guys, you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. So basically what you need to do first is go to the top left side of your screen, and here you can go and click on the file option out of all of these 6 options. As you can see, 5 because export is not available. Click on file, then go and click on record. Out of all of these options, you have 6 of them. Click on the 6th option, which is record media. When you click on record media, you need to go and click record from webcam, and then or record from PC screen or record from voiceover. Click on from record from PC screen, and there then you will have an option to go and record from Filmora. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Greetings guys, and until next time, bye guys.